All right, today we're briefly just going to go over how to adjust the time and date on the terminal in case it's not looking right for you, or you need to adjust it, or you moved your business to another location where the time zone's changed possibly. In order to do that, super simple, was hit the menu button here. We'll go down to System Settings. From there, you see Time and Date Setup. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and be able to change the date first. All right, that simple. Hit enter, and you'll be able to start changing the hours, minutes, and seconds. And as you can see, it's in 24-hour time. So you'll want to look up the exact 24-hour time of your time zone if you don't know what it is already, if you don't know how to convert that in your head. But yeah, it's as simple as that. And then you'll hit enter from there, and you'll be able to continue through. And it's that easy.